Good morning. Today we are going to discuss what is meant by anonymous inner class. So basically what is meant by anonymous, first of all, what is anonymous class is, if a class is not having any name, that class we're going to call as an anonymous class, and that kind of a class if you are creating inside another class, it is called as anonymous inner class. So I will explain how to create anonymous inner class with a suitable example. See here, I have a class A, and the class A is having a method called as void show, and it is printing a simple message hi. And for that class A, I have created an object obj, and with the help of the object I am calling the show method inside the class A. If I execute this particular program, I will get the output hi. Okay. Now for example, what I want to do is, with the help of the show method, I want to print a message called as buy. So how we can do that is by using a concept called as method overriding. So for that, what we need to do is we need to write a class B, and that class extends a class, and within that particular class copy this particular method and paste here, and just change the message what you want to do, print, that is buy. Now what here I am doing is, now I want to call the show method of B class. So for that, what I am doing is I am simply using this a obj is equal to B of. So what will going to happen is, B class object is going to create, but it is storing the reference variable of A. So and now if I call obj.show, what is going to happen? First I am compiling this particular program, and so when I executed, so see here I am executing by. Why I am getting the rather than hi, I am getting why I am getting the by message is very simple. Here a obj is equal new object created for the B class, not for the A class. Here simply obj is the reference variable for the A class. Within the variable reference variable of A class, I have placed the object of B class. So that's why obj.show is calling the show method of B. So it's okay. Now what the many people it is, I doesn't want to perform this kind of overriding. What is the necessity of creating this kind of class B? Without creating a new class, it is not possible to override this particular class A method show. Yes. So for that we have provide a mechanism called as anonymous inner class. So see this, without writing a new class, how we can perform the same operation previously what we required. So here what you can do is, so create the a obj is equal to new of, here open the brace or put the flower bracket. See, put the flower bracket, again close the flower bracket. Inside these two things, whatever the code you want to write within your class, that code we can write here. So now what I want to, I need to perform the method overriding whatever previously I have done. So for that, I have just copied that particular show method code, and here I am replacing the hi with the by, and don't forget to put the semicolon. So in the place of a obj is equal to new a of, we put semicolon. So remove the semicolon, open the flower bracket and close the flower bracket. Within the closing flower, opening flower bracket, closing flower bracket, write your piece of code. Then simply put the semicolon. Don't forget to put the semicolon. Once everything is successfully completed, see, now again, now what I am doing is just compiling the program, and I got three errors. So we'll check why I have got these errors, and then we will come one by one. So a obj is equal to new obj of, and here, so I have put the semicolon here. That is the problem. So yes. So now done. So see, without writing the class, without writing the new class, within the class A object creation itself, by opening the braces, I am able to write the code. So this is called as, this is how we can write anonymous classes. Now this particular new class were created inside the another class test. That's why it is called as anonymous inner class. So here the class is not having any name. So this is how we can able to create anonymous inner classes. So hope you understand the concept.